Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And a special thanks to Maureen for allowing us to, or for giving us permission to shoot this video for you guys. Now, this video is just completely informational and educational, just showing you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online and how to dominate your competitors, okay? And you're probably wondering why I would even take the time to make a video like this for you. Well, if I'm honest with you, a lot of roofing companies are just too busy or just not knowledgeable, right, in the area of the internet, right, to completely understand or to grasp how the internet can bring them more money, right, can bring them more leads, can bring them more of the clients that they're needing in order to scale and grow their business. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do for you today. Okay, I'm gonna break three things down for you. The first one's gonna be content. The second one's gonna be backlinks, and then lastly, we're gonna talk about citations. Okay. Now, if you don't know what those are, no worries. I'm going to just kind of show you and kind of break it all down for you. So, first things first is I was kind of, maneuvering around your website, just kind of clicking around here and there. I did notice that it is a really nice website. The colors are really compatible. I really appreciate the time that it took to actually build a website like this. It's not easy, obviously, building a website like this, but unfortunately, guys, Google doesn't care about how pretty a website is. They don't care about how easy it is to navigate a website. All they care about is content and then the keywords related to that content. Okay, now if I were to highlight all of your content here on your web page, okay, and content is just like the amount of words and pictures, things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here in my word counter. I'm gonna see how many words you have. Okay, so you have 596 words. So a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage alone. Okay, so you're definitely going to want to up that, right? So that would definitely be my first tip, is just being able to type in some more words in there, and then especially relevant keywords pertaining to your niche or what it is, the services you guys offer, right? Keywords can be anything like roofing, Trenton, New Jersey, right? That's where you guys are from. Roofing companies, Trenton, New Jersey. Roofing services, Trenton, New Jersey. Things like that. Those are great keywords to put in to the homepage there, and that would definitely help you be more visible. Now, the second tip I have for you, we're going to talk about backlinks. Okay. Now, I went on ahead and typed in your website here into my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool, but there are a bunch of free tools out there that you could definitely use. All you'd have to do is just Google like backlink checker for free or a keyword researcher for free, things like that, and it would definitely give you some different options out there. This just allows me to see what's going on in the background. It kind of just shows me the basic analytics and things like that. So first things first is the referring domains. As you can see here, you have 31 referring domains, and what those are just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, and you have 31 of those. And then backlinks are just the number of times that they're pushing traffic to you. It looks like you're down 6, but they're doing it 76 times. Okay, you have 57 keywords on your website total, and roughly, a rough estimate, you have 27 people viewing your website per month, bringing you $127 in traffic value. I went on ahead and did the same thing with your top competitor. Okay, Lehigh Valley Roofers. Okay, now which is culproofing.com. They have 183 referring domains, so they have 183 other websites pushing traffic to them, and they're doing that 2,770 times. They have 247 keywords, and they have 167 people going to their website per month, roughly, right, on average, bringing them $629 in traffic value per month. And now that is a big jump from 127 to 629. That means that you're leaving a lot of money on the table for these guys to pick up. Right now, the good thing about this is that if these backlinks are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? All you would need is just the time and the research in order to grab those backlinks and then put them on top of yours, and you could easily outrank your opponent like that, okay? Or I should say your competitor, not your opponent. And then lastly, the thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, right? Now, you would definitely need some information on those directories, like your address, your company name, your phone number, your website if they allow it. That's how you would build your citations, right? So any place that you could find your business in a directory, one is right here on Angie's List. You've got Home Advisor, you've got Yellow Pages, White Pages. All those are directories. There's even local directories to your area in Trenton that you can use, right? This is how you would get here on this map pack, okay? By having more citations in Trenton than your competitors, right? Now you would have to obviously you'd have to do the research just to ensure that you're having the correct amount of citations. Say if your competitors have anywhere between I don't know, 75 to 150, you would definitely want to one up them and do anywhere between 200, 250, just to ensure that you're dominating in this area at all times. Now, this is where all the traffic goes, right? Typically, people don't go down here to the third or fourth page of Google looking, for the answers to their questions. They usually trust the map pack here right away. So I would definitely recommend that you do so. Now, you have two options, right? The first option would be to take all this information and utilize it, and you do all the research and things like that so that you can become number one, ensuring that you're getting more phone calls, ensuring that you're getting more business, more clients, and then, essentially more money, right? But if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me, and I would be more than happy to help you and guide you in any way that I can. So remember, the first thing is content, ensuring that you have more words on there, right? 1,500 to 2,000. Ensuring that you have more backlinks than your competitors, and more citations. Okay, that's how you become number one on Google, and ensuring that you have a constant flow of business all the time. Again, thank you so much for allowing me to shoot this video for you. I really appreciate it. Again, a special thanks to Maureen for allowing me to, or for giving me the permission to show you this kind of information and education. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.